Welcome to this guide on quickly including Tock to your WordPress site in just 5 minutes. In this tutorial, you will learn how to seamlessly integrate Tock by following a series of clear instructions. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to WordPress. Once the WordPress homepage loads, take a moment to locate the login option at the top right corner of the screen. This is your doorway into managing and editing your website. After discovering the login link, click on it. This action will prompt a sign-in process which is designed for convenience and speed. On the next screen, you will see the option to continue with a Google account. Select the Continue with Google button to take advantage of the streamlined login provided by your Google credentials. When prompted, choose the appropriate Google account that you wish to use to access your WordPress site. This selection ensures that you are logged in with the correct credentials and that your account accesses all the necessary editing privileges. Once you are logged in, direct your attention to the Quick Links section. This is an area within WordPress designed to give you fast access to the most essential features of your site management. Within this section, locate the Edit Site option. By clicking on Edit Site, you initiate the process of modifying your website, which includes adding new features such as Tock. The interface will then display your list of websites. Identify the website you wish to edit and click on it. This step brings up the website editor where you can start tailoring your website to best fit your needs. Inside the website editor, your next task is to add the Tock component. To do this, look towards the top left corner of your editor interface where you will find a plus icon. Clicking on this plus icon allows you to add new elements to your website. After clicking on the plus icon, you will notice a search bar appears. In this search bar, carefully type in the word Tock. As you enter these letters, WordPress filters through the available components to find a match for Tock. Once you see Tock in the search results, click on it to add this component to your website. This action incorporates the functionality of Tock, enabling your site to deliver the features associated with it. It may take just a few seconds for Tock to load and integrate into your site layout. Ensure that it is placed correctly where it can be easily accessed by your visitors. Finally, after confirming that Tock has been added and appears as expected in your site preview, complete the process by clicking on the Save button located at the top right corner of the editor. Saving your changes is a critical step as it ensures that all the modifications you have made, including the addition of Tock, are recorded and published on your website. By following these detailed instructions, you successfully integrate Tock into your WordPress site in a matter of minutes. This streamlined process shows the simplicity and efficiency of managing website features using WordPress. Enjoy the new capabilities provided by Tock and the ease of making quick updates to your website.